Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming local noise limits and gathering tools so you don't waste time. Once legal and safe, disconnect the battery and jack the car securely. This protects electronics and you. Start with bolt-on items. Install a catback system or remove the resonator using 3 piping to open up tone. Do this first because it's reversible and delivers immediate volume gains while preserving reliability, and it prepares the car for deeper modifications later. Once the bolt-ons are fitted, move into flow and tuning. Replace restrictive mid-pipes or headers to reduce back pressure and change exhaust tone. You'll choose an X-pipe for smoother sound or an H-pipe for a thicker rumble. This affects low-end torque versus high-rev howl. Add a controlled exhaust valve or an electronic cutout so you can switch between quiet and loud on demand. Make sure flanges are torqued and gaskets sealed to prevent leaks that ruin sound quality. You finish by tuning engine management so the louder exhaust runs safely. Flash a proven tune that trims fueling and timing to match reduced back pressure and adjust VCT where needed. Then verify sensors and clear any check engine lights. Listen for leaks, rattles, or excessive drone at cruising speeds. If you encounter drone, try swapping muffler packing, altering chamber geometry, or adjusting valve timing. These solutions target frequency and cabin resonance. If problems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.